Hello everyone, welcome back to MoodleClicks. In our previous video, we learned how to create groups manually and add students to them one by one. That method works well when you only have a few groups to create. However, if you need to create many groups, entering them manually can take a lot of time. Fortunately, Moodle provides an easy way to create multiple groups at once using a CSV file. In this video, we will learn how to import groups into a Moodle course using a simple spreadsheet file. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So let's get started. Here we are inside our Moodle course. To import groups, first open Participants. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Groups. On the Groups page, scroll down and click the Import Groups button. Before we upload a file, let's take a look at the CSV file we will use for this tutorial. I have already prepared a simple CSV file, so let's open it. As you can see, the file contains two columns. The first column is group name. This is the name of the group that Moodle will create. The second column is description. This is an optional description for the group. Below the header row, each row represents a group. For example, we have Group B, Group C, and Group D. Once your CSV file is ready, save it and return to Moodle. Now click Choose a file, select the CSV file from your computer and upload it. You can also drag and drop the file into the upload area. After the file is uploaded, click the Import Groups button. Moodle will process the file and create all the groups listed in the CSV file. Once the import is complete, you will see a confirmation message. Click Continue. We are now back on the groups page. As you can see, Moodle has successfully created all the groups from the CSV file. This is much faster than creating groups one at a time, especially when working with large courses that require many groups. And that's it. You now know how to import groups into Moodle using a CSV file. Using the import feature can save a lot of time when you need to create multiple groups quickly and efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and support the MoodleClicks channel for more Moodle tutorials and updates. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.